This video contains discussion of a recent mass shooting. Some details may be disturbing to viewers. All information presented is based on reports available at the time of recording. This content is for news and documentary purposes only. We do not glorify violence or the perpetrator, and our focus is on reporting facts and raising awareness. If you or someone you know is struggling with violent thoughts, please seek help immediately by contacting local mental health services or emergency numbers.
Yeah, watch my 9mm go bang. Fuck. I'm the woker, baby. Why so curious? Where's your fucking gun?
This morning, tragedy struck at a Catholic school in Minneapolis. At around 8:30 a.m., a gunman armed with a rifle, shotgun, and pistol opened fire through church windows during a school mass at Annunciation Catholic School, killing 2 children aged 8 and 10.
During the mass, a gunman approached on the outside on the side of the building and began firing a rifle through the church windows towards the children sitting in the pews at the mass. Shooting through the windows, he struck children and worshipers that were inside the building. The shooter was armed with a rifle, a shotgun, and a pistol. This was a deliberate act of violence. 2 young children, ages 8 and 10, were killed where they sat in the pews. Their parents have been notified. 17 other people were injured, 14 of them being children. 2 of those children are in critical condition. The coward who fired these shots ultimately took his own life in the rear of the church.
Investigators have confirmed that the Minneapolis school shooter left behind disturbing online material, including a YouTube video posted under his own name. In the footage, the young man appears on camera speaking directly to viewers in the days before the attack.
Пока, my brata. Пока.
His tone is unsettlingly calm, but the content is filled with anger and despair. He describes grievances against society, warning that he would take violent action. The video, which has since been removed by YouTube, is now central evidence in the ongoing investigation. Authorities are reviewing it alongside a written manifesto to understand his mindset and motivations. Experts note that this kind of online posting has become a pattern in recent mass shootings, a digital trail that often reveals radicalization, planning, and a need for attention.
Yeah, I met Brandon Herrera at SHOT Show last year. He and I had a brief conversation, but we agreed on a lot of things. So, y'all should vote for Brandon Herrera for president. And, Vintage Warfare promotes love and peace and accepting differences. Tomorrow, I'm sorry to my family. But that's it. That's the only people I'm sorry to. Fuck those.
Grief and shock grip the community. Leaders are appealing for calm and for support in this moment of tragedy. We'll continue to bring verified updates as they unfold.
Some smoke, extra thick. Eat shit, motherfucker. Ah, koszmar.
Police say he acted alone, armed with multiple weapons including a rifle, shotgun, and pistol. The alleged shooter in the Minneapolis incident at Annunciation Catholic Church on August 27, 2025, was born Robert Westman on June 17, 2002, and later changed their name to Robin Westman. In 2019, court records show Robin Westman petitioned for the name change to reflect a female identity, identifying as transgender at that time. Hospitals, including Hennepin Healthcare and Children's Minnesota, treated multiple victims, several in critical condition. No explosives were found at the scene. The governor and mayor called the attack horrific, with President Trump ordering flags at half-staff.